Hello students, this is Suraj Mishra from Vigyan Pathshala. Today I am going to discuss a new topic, that is homopolar motor. So the objective of the day are introduction to homopolar motor, the magnets and the magnetic field and magnetic flux, also some material required for homemade homopolar motor, and finally the procedure. So let's start our video. So here is our first slide, the introduction slide. It's what is homopolar motor. Basically homopolar motor is a DC electric motor with two magnetic poles. Here the meaning of two magnetic poles is north pole and south pole of a magnet. This when the conductors of which always cut unidirectional lines of magnetic flux. Magnetic flux means the number of magnetic field line passing through a area perpendicularly. When the magnetic field line perpendicularly passing through an area, then that magnetic field line is said to be magnetic flux. We will discuss about the magnetic flux in the further after some slides. By rotating a conductor, here the conductor is a coil, a circular coil conductor around a fixed axis, so that the conductor is at right angle to the static magnetic field, so it will move continuously and rotate continuously. This type of motor is called homopolar motor. The meaning of homo is one, that is unidirectional lines of magnetic flux. So let's move. What is the concept behind the homopolar motor? It's a very important point. There are the concept is some physics laws such as Lorentz force, electromagnetism, and torque. Lorentz force. The meaning of Lorentz force is a combination of electric and magnetic force. When a particle of a charge q is moving with a velocity v in a magnetic and electric field, it will experience a force. That force is known as Lorentz force. And what is electromagnetism? By coiling more than 300 tons on a soft iron core, and when we connect the battery, it gain the magnetic behavior. This the whole setup is the phenomena is known as electromagnetism, and the setup is known as electromagnet. Also, homopolar motor is a DC electric motor which produce constant circular motion. This coil move with a constant circular motion, and the movement is also due to the torque. The third point, uh, Lorentz force, electromagnetism, and torque. Torque is due to the movement of that circular coil, because polarities of the magnetic field do not change. The direction of the force will not change, and the wire will rotate in a constant circular motion. This is our homopolar motor, homemade homopolar motor. Let's talk about the magnet. What is magnets? Magnets are the objects which produce magnetic fields and attract metals like iron, nickel, and cobalt. The magnetism of the magnet is depend upon the magnetic field lines, that lines of forces exit the magnets into from its north pole to the enter its south pole, means emerges from the north pole and merges into the south pole. It's a very important, emerges from the north pole and merges into the south pole. Also, permanent or hard magnets create their own magnetic field. Magnetic fields defines the strength of the magnet. Okay, this is the three types of magnet: bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, and here we use ring magnets. Now move forward. This is what is magnetic field. As we know, the areas where the object exists, it's a magnetic influence is called magnetic field. The field affect neighboring objects along things called magnetic field lines. And magnetic field are attracted fields and repulsive. Two type: attracted and repulsive. What is the meaning? Plus to minus. Here plus denotes north pole, and minus denotes south pole. Emerges from the north pole and merges into the south pole. And here is the repulsion, means from north pole the magnetic field lines emerges, and also there is a north pole emerges, therefore it is the repulsion field lines. Magnetic object can attract or push away another magnetic objects due to the same pole, means same pole repel each other, or and opposite poles attract each other. Now, what is the magnetic flux? Magnetic flux is defined as the number of magnetic field lines passing through a closed surface. Like if we put a cardboard between this, then the magnetic field lines is going to be enter from that cardboard. That magnetic field lines are known as magnetic flux. Okay, here you can see B denotes the magnetic field lines and A denotes the area, this rectangular cardboard. Okay, and this denotes north pole, this denotes south pole. Now move further. The material required for homemade homopolar motor are single battery, flat round magnet, copper wire, the safety pins, and the paper cutter. Now it's a very simple. Learn all the steps, write all the steps in your copy by pausing the video. It's a very simple. First you have to stick the magnet and then attach safety pin to the ends of the battery. Also you have to make a coil of coil with the help of copper coil of 10 to 15 tons. There should be 30 to 32 gauze copper wire. Also scrap the ends of the copper wire for better conduction, and this fix the copper wire between the safety pin. What you will observe, just coil will rotate with a constant velocity. Now this is the working, you can see the coil is rotating. Yeah, now move towards the exercise. There are some questions, you have to answer it in your copy. Write all the questions, try to answer. Concept of homopolar motor, what is homopolar motor, its working, its use, and the steps for making the homemade. Also you have to explain all the laws of homopolar motor, and finally you have to draw the diagram of magnetic flux by explaining it. So at last, thank you students, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.